Have you ever stared at your computer at work being like, I just can't do this anymore? Or it's Sunday and you feel like the dread creeping in that, oh shit, it's Monday tomorrow. What if I told you you never have to work again and instead can do what lights you up and make money that way, so it never feels like work? I no longer work and I get paid to do my passion, and I will teach you today how you can do the same, so that you never have to live for the weekend and dread Mondays and burn out living a life that wasn't even meant for you. Before I found my purpose and made that my income, I never understood people who were excited for Mondays. And I also didn't understand why rich singers who were multimillionaires would keep releasing albums. Why are they not just enjoying their wealth? Until I found my purpose. Now I am excited for Mondays. I love working. It's actually hard to strike a work-life balance because I love working that much. What I do now, being a life purpose coach, helping people live their dream life and find their purpose, I would do this even if I was a multimillionaire, even if I'd make zero money from it. And I want that for you too. The biggest mistake I see people do with their career is that they have this mindset that you have to hustle and grind to reach your career goals. But as Dr. Joe Dispenza says, that is very 3D thinking, and that is the long way to get there. You don't have to push harder. You just have to align with your purpose, with what your higher self actually wants. So ask yourself, if money wasn't an issue, how would you spend your time? Here are 3 things that you need to know if you want to stop working and start living and making an income that way. People like Oprah and Ed Sheeran keep doing what they love, even when they don't have to. That's purpose. So ask yourself, what would you do every day if you didn't get paid for it? And write in the comments, I am magnetizing a life I don't need a vacation from. The second thing you need to realize is that your mind is a magnet. A few years ago, I was rushed to hospital and I found out that my right ovary was dead and it needed to be removed. I felt so sad because I realized I will probably never be able to have kids. I had a trip planned to North Macedonia with my friend, and she took me to all the monasteries to drink holy water. And when I drank the holy water, I visualized healing my right ovary. And when it was time for the surgery, the ovary was alive, so they didn't have to remove it. So what your mind believes you will attract. So even in extreme examples like this, it's even possible to heal yourself. So if you can heal your body with your mind, you can definitely find a career path that you find so enjoyable that it doesn't feel like working. Absolutely. And visualizing, which I used for the ovary, can also be applied for stepping into your purpose and making that your income. The most effective way I found, I call the sleep manifestation method. So when you are about to fall asleep, you're laying in the bed, you're closing your eyes, visualize you living your purpose, having that dream business, that dream career that feels like not working for you because it's just so enjoyable. Imagine like how fun it feels, this involve all the senses. And because you are in a deeper brainwave, your ego doesn't come in the way in the same sense that if you were to visualize during the day. The third thing you need to realize if you want to never work again and say goodbye to your draining office job is follow your joy, because it's the compass to your purpose. I now wake up on Mondays full of energy because I get to help others do the same. And studies actually show that people in flow states are more productive, healthier, and fulfilled. So here's a little journal prompt for you. Ask yourself, what makes me lose track of time because I feel so alive? And write in the comments, my joy is my guide. Look, you weren't born to live for the weekend. You have something the world needs, and someone is waiting for you to wake up to it. You don't need more hustle, you need more alignment. So start there. Now, if you want to do what I do, turning your passion into income, then check out my YouTube video on how to make money online from your passion. Link in the description.